Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about grade 7 science first lesson, plant diversity. Plant diversity means the difference between plants. Morphological features of flowering plants. There are different morphological features. Stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, buds and roots are the main examples for it. Plants mainly divide to two types, that are flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants mean the plants which produce flowers, and non-flowering plants mean the plants which do not produce flowers. For examples, rose, ether, gardenia, balsam, water lily, sal, lotus, shoe flower, katarolu, jasmine, coconut and long beans are some examples of flowering plant. As for non-flowering plants, cycas, moss, salvinia, cypress, Rhineria and ferns are the most common examples. Main parts of a flowering plant. Observe the flowering plants in your surroundings. They are of different sizes. You will see that there are big trees and small plants among them. Their stems, roots, flowers and fruits are also different from each other. Therefore, plants show great diversity in their sizes and morphological features. But all flowering plants have some common parts. Let's see what those common parts are. The parts of the plant which are underground is called the root system, and the parts of the plant which are above the ground is called the shoot system. First one is the taproot, second one lateral root, third one is the root system, 4 is stem, 5 is lateral bud which is another name for axillary bud, 6 is leaves, 7 is apical bud, 8 branches, 9 fruit, 10 flowers and 11 is shoot system. Diversity of the parts of flowering plants. The characteristic feature of the flowering plant is formation of flowers. Almost all parts such as stem, leaves, roots, buds, flowers and fruits can be seen in most of the plants. Plants show great diversity among these parts. Diversity among roots of plants, that means difference among roots of plants. Normally, root system remains underground in the soil. There are two main types of roots. They are taproot system and the fibrous root system. Some plants have a single large root which originates from the base of the stem. It is called the taproot. Large number of roots are originated from the taproot. They are called lateral roots. This type of root system is called the taproot system. Some plants have large number of small roots which originated from the base of the plant stem. This type of root system is called a fibrous root system. For examples for taproot system, mango tree, jack tree, cashew tree and shoe flower tree. Examples for fibrous root system, coconut tree, bamboo, areca nut and grass. Functions of roots of plants. Fix the plant to the soil, absorb water and minerals, sometimes give rise to new plants which is called the vegetative propagation or it's called the vegetative reproduction. For examples, curry leaf and breadfruit. Breadfruit means dell. Give space for microorganisms to live. Small nodules-like structures can be seen in the root system of mimosa plant. Mimosa means Midicumba. Such nodules are known as root nodules. There are microorganisms called bacteria living inside them. These bacteria supply nitrogen nutrients required for the growth of mimosa plant, and root system supplies nutrients for the bacteria which live inside the nodules. Examples: katurumurunga, beans and winged beans. Store food. The other roots shown in the next page are generally called yams because food is stored in those roots. Such roots are known as storage roots. Manioc, manioca, carrot, sweet potato, patala, beetroot. Naturally, roots grow downward into the soil, but you may observe some roots that grow above the soil. Examples: aerial roots, prop roots, tilt roots, climbing roots, respiratory roots. Let's talk about these roots individually. Prop roots. This is what crop roots look like. Arise from branches, support the branches. Examples: banyan. Stem roots. Arise from the stem, support the stem. For examples: pandanus, rampe and corn. Did you know corn also has stilt roots? Here I have given you a side view image of a corn plant with stilt roots, and the image beside it is a real close-up image of stilt roots in corn plants. Aerial roots. Usually white in color, some are green and do photosynthesis. These roots absorb water vapor from the atmosphere. Example: orchid. Climbing roots. Helps to climb a stem by attaching to another stem. Examples: beetle and pepper. Respiratory roots. Absorb oxygen from the atmosphere for short exchange air. Examples: Kerala and Kadol. Storage roots and root nodules are present underground, but they are special. Special facts about root nodules. The bacteria inside root nodules are called rhizobium bacteria. These bacteria absorb nitrogen from the atmosphere. The soil becomes fertile because of nitrate.